Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find out which of the following figure has the rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So we know that this line is representing an angle of 90 degree. Let's say we are naming this 4 parts as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you look here. If we rotate this by the angle of 90 degree, so this 1 will be here, this 2 will be here, this 3 side will be here and this 4 side will be here. Now again if we rotate this again with 90 degree, this 1 is here, this 2 is here, this 3 part is here and this 4 part is here. Now again if we rotate this with 90 degree again, so this 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here and 4 is here. Now again if we rotate this with 90 degree. So this one part is here, 2 is here, 3 is here and 4 is here. So basically what we notice here that after 4 initial turns, after 4 initial round, we got the same figure or basically the same numbers. We got the same numbers after the 4 round. So it completed one complete round of 360 degree in order to move into its initial position. So this figure take 4 rounds. So we can say that this figure has a rotational symmetry of 4. Now we are considering about this part. This is basically the median or center is given. So we can divide this into 3 equal parts. Let's say this is the part A, this is the part B, this is the part C. And this angle in an equilateral triangle is 120 degree, this is 120 degree and this is 120 degree. So basically if we rotate this figure initially with an angle of 120 degree, we got the value of angle A here, B will be here and C will be here. Again if we rotate second time this at the 120 degree, so A will be here, B will be here and C will be here. And after that if we again rotate it with an angle of 120 degree, so A will be in its initial position, B will be in its initial position or C will be in its initial position. So if you can look here, after rotating this into three parts, after rotating it 3 times of by the angle of 120 degree, we got its rotational symmetry. So we can say that this figure B has a symmetry of 3. So this figure B has a symmetry of 3. Now we are considering about this figure C. This figure C is a straight line and we know that the angle of straight line is 180 degree. If we rotate, let's say this is A and this is B. If we rotate this figure with an angle of 180 degree, so this figure will be somewhat like this. This figure will be somewhat like this if we rotate this with an angle of 180, if we rotate this with an angle of 180 degree. So this is A, this is B. And again if we rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, we got this initial figure. Let's say this is our initial figure. This is A, this is B. So we took 2 complete rounds of 180 degree each in order to rotate to its initial position. So we can say that the rotational symmetry of this is of order 2. Now we are considering about the part D. This is our figure. We know that this is a straight line, so angle is equals to 180 degree. Let's say this is the part P and this is the part Q. If we rotate this with an angle of 180 degree, so this P must be here and this Q must be here after rotating this with an angle of 180 degree. Now if again we rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, again P will be here and Q will be here. So basically here we took 2 rotations in order to reach to its initial position. So we can say that the order of this is 2. Now we are considering about the party. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. This circle is divided into 3 parts and complete angle is 360 as it is divided into 3 equal parts. So 360 divided by 3 is equals to 120. So every angle is of 120 degree. So look here, this is our circle. So this is our circle. This is A, B and C. If we rotate this A with an angle from here, if we are going to rotate from here A with an angle of 120 degree, so this A from here will be here, B will be here and C will be here. Now again if we rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, so this A will be here, this B will be here and this C will be here. Now again if we rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, so this A will be here, this B will be, so this B will be here and this C will be here at their initial position. So again, after 3 rotations, we got the same initial figure, that is A, B and C. So we can say that in order to reach its initial position, it takes 3 rotations. So this is the answer to the part, this part. Now we are left with the one part. So this is our figure F. So this is our figure F. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Every angle is of 90 degree. So if we rotate this initially with the 90 degree, so angle 1 will be here, angle 1 will be here, 2 will be here at the place of 3, and 3 will be here, and angle 4 will be here. Now again, if we rotate with an angle of 90 degree again from here to here, so angle 1 will be here, angle 2 will be here, angle 3 will be here. Sorry, it's angle 2 will be here, angle 3 will be here, and angle 4 will be here. Now again, if we rotate from here to here with an angle of 90 degree, so angle 1 will be here, 2 will be here, 3 will be here, and 4 will be here. Now again, if we rotate this from here to here with an angle of 90 degree, so A will go to its initial position, second go to its initial position, third, and same with fourth. So basically again, this took 4 equal rounds in order to turn the figure completely. So we can say that this took 4 rounds. So we can say that the order to this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So order to this is 4. So this is the answer to given question. In order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of symmetry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.